Good morning. As your governor, I wanted to take a moment to speak with you directly, to thank you for the exemplary work that you've put in over the past 3 months in face of a global pandemic, and to give you the sobering news of our current budget situation. None of us could have predicted a pandemic of this magnitude and the global economic impact that it has created. As a state, we have done tremendous work to flatten the curve and to preserve the health, safety, and lives of our fellow Nevadans. Every day, I am overwhelmed with respect and gratitude for the thousands of professionals employed by the state who quickly adapted and adjusted to a new style of work and have continued providing services around the clock. All of this exceptional work has not gone unnoticed. Prior to the pandemic, the state had begun the momentous task of formulating ways to implement a child, family, and community-centered Nevada government. The economic crisis caused by the COVID-19 pandemic has forced us to take a different direction with our state budget in response to our changed economic reality. Believe me, I wish we weren't faced with this difficult situation, and I wish I didn't have to deliver this news. But it's important that you hear the information from me. As you probably expect, after learning of our shortfall in fiscal year 2020, our anticipated budget deficit for fiscal year 2021 is even more severe. The projections are still changing, but we know this shortfall will mean deep budget cuts within agencies, and the required cuts will affect every facet of state government. When it comes to state employees, I've asked my team and state agencies to prepare recommendations for reductions with the goal of limiting the number of state layoffs to the maximum extent possible. You, our state employees, are what make this state run day in and day out. You are the ones who provide the critical services to Nevadans. State agencies will be keeping hundreds of positions vacant in fiscal year 2021 to preserve existing positions and employees. We have worked diligently to reduce the number of anticipated layoffs from more than 450 to less than 50 expected at this time. I'm also proposing a 1 furlough day a month for all state employees beginning in July, and a freeze on merit salary for increases for the fiscal year 2021. I'm not proposing any changes to your health insurance or your retirement benefits. It is with a heavy heart that I must propose these actions. I know for many state employees, layoffs, furloughs, and budget cuts are all too familiar and create tremendous hurdles in the work of serving our state. As your governor, I will continue to work with our congressional delegation to advocate for financial relief from federal government to help make up the difference in our state budgets that fund vital services and help states and cities come out of this crisis stronger and more resilient. Thank you for all that you are doing and all that you continue to do for the state. Every day, I'm proud to be your governor.